For the first time, South Korea reported over 250,000 new COVID-19 cases on Friday. But the government sees little point in imposing stricter distancing rules with the low fatality rate and with the damage sustained by small businesses. So it's slightly easing the rules starting tomorrow. Our Kim Bo-kyoung tells us more.
South Korea reported a record high number for its daily tally. 266,853 new infections were reported on Friday, bringing the total number of COVID-19 cases in the country to just under 3.7 million. The figure is around 100,000 more than from the same day the previous week. South Korea saw the daily tally surpass the 200,000 mark for the first time on Wednesday, and after a slight dip on Thursday, it went right back up with a soaring increase in confirmed cases. With cases surging, the numbers of fatally ill patients and deaths are also on the rise, with 31 more patients falling severely ill and 186 more deaths newly reported. The number of deaths is again an all-time high, surpassing the previous record of 128. Seoul Metropolitan City saw 59,269 new cases, the first time the city has surpassed the 50,000 mark. Gyeonggi-do Province too reported a fresh high at over 76,000. Despite the surge, the government has eased social distancing measures. The social gathering cap of a maximum of 6 people and 10 p.m. shutdown orders were set to expire on March 13th, but the government has eased measures earlier than scheduled. The country relaxed restrictions and are allowing businesses to remain open until 11 p.m., 1 hour longer than before, while maintaining the social gathering cap of up to 6 people. The changes will be applied beginning on March 5th. Although 50% of sickbeds for critically ill patients are in use, key indexes such as the manageable fatality rate were the reason behind the change. Additionally, the government considered the damage small biz owners had to grapple with.
We have taken into account the difficulties small business owners were facing for a long time, despite the expansion of payments for damage and partial easing of social distancing measures.
The newly changed measures will apply to 12 types of public facilities, including restaurants, cafes, PC rooms, and movie theaters until March 20th. Kim Bo-kyoung, Arirang News.